We just spent the last 6 months tearing down and rebuilding our tired 23-year-old Tacoma in hopes of taking it on a massive 10,000 kilometer journey to the Arctic Circle and through Alaska. Many countless nights went into the garage overhauling the suspension, removing an old body lift, and installing the overland gear we need to live on the road. Things were going smoothly until progress came to a grinding halt. Hidden under the truck, I found 2 major structural cracks running along the frame rails. Old Tacomas are notorious for frame rot. Some even snap in half. Very abruptly, I had to make a choice: scrap the truck and take a big loss, or teach myself to cut, weld, and rebuild the frame from the ground up. The frame is the skeleton of the truck. Everything bolts to it, depends on it, lives by it, dies by it, and the truth was, I had no idea how to fix it. Instead of sending the Tacoma to the scrap pile, I got to work. I learned to weld, researched repair methods, tracked down parts, and followed in the footsteps of others who'd faced the same problem. It was a grind, but in the end, I rolled out of the garage with a truck that I could be proud of, one that just might have another 250,000 miles in it and make it to the Arctic Circle. Now it's time to put my welds and this old Tacoma to the test, against some of the harshest roads and the wildest environments in Alberta, British Columbia, the Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Alaska.
Rain, it's really coming down now. Starting to hail now too. It keeps getting worse and worse. Beginning of the Dempster Highway. The Arctic Circle! Welcome to Alaska!
Welcome to chicken. Bye.